This is the poem St. Christopher by Father John Bannister Tabb, an American poet and Roman Catholic priest in the 1800s. It was a very little boy that on the riverside stood calling, "Ferryman, ahoy! Come take me o'er the tide." The ferryman came wading on, and seeing but a child, "Get upon my shoulder, son," he said, and stooping, smiled. But when into the stream again the giant boldly strode, his every muscle was a strain beneath the growing load, till finally with failing strength he reached the other bank, and putting down the boy at length upon the margin sank. "Who art thou, wondering?" he cried, "thou hast so burdened me?" "The Son of God," the boy replied, "who bore the cross for thee. Henceforth thy task pursuing here, for love of souls forlorn, thou'lt bear the name of Christopher, as thou the Christ hast borne. And little sufferers that see how great is thy reward, shall cry, like Christopher are we, thy ferrymen, O Lord." Congratulations.